Good morning, our friends. Today I'm going to tell you how to draw an easy step-by-step tree. So first we're going to start by drawing the grass like this. From right here and then go all the way like this and then do the line like that. Now let's start by drawing the branch of the tree like this. So. You go like that and then you connect right here. Now we're going to draw the branches of your tree. First, then start by drawing a V like this for bigger branches. And a big one over here. Let's fix this part right here. Okay. So first, then start by drawing the branches of your leaf. So you start from right here and go like this. Just remember to draw a big bump. Now we're going to use dark green for coloring the tree. Now take dark brown and start painting the trunk of your tree. Now take light green and start coloring the grass.
Hi friends, and this is my tree. Do you like my tree?
And remember to share your trees in the comments below.